Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at Plus500. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Plus500 is a leading online trading platform offering a wide array of financial instruments. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and is accessible through various devices, including web, desktop, and mobile, ensuring traders can manage their portfolios on the go. Plus500 is known for their competitive spreads, advanced charting tools, and risk management features, all designed to cater to both novice and experienced traders. Regulated by top-tier financial authorities, Plus500 holds high standards of security and transparency, reinforcing its commitment to providing a reliable and efficient trading environment. The broker offers a comprehensive selection of market instruments, catering to diverse trading preferences and strategies. The platform provides access to contracts for difference across various asset classes, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, share CFDs, options, and ETFs. With access to these instruments via user-friendly web and mobile platforms, Plus500 aims to empower traders with comprehensive market opportunities and efficient trading tools. The platform emphasizes user-friendly access via web, desktop, and mobile interfaces, complemented by competitive spreads and robust risk management tools. Plus500 operates under stringent regulatory frameworks to ensure a secure trading environment for its clients. The platform is authorized and regulated by several top-tier financial authorities globally, including the ASIC, the FMA, the FCA, the CYSEC, and the FSCA. These regulatory bodies oversee Plus500's operations, ensuring compliance with strict standards of financial transparency, client fund protection, and fair trading practices. By adhering to these regulations, Plus500 aims to provide traders with confidence and peace of mind while accessing its comprehensive range of financial instruments through intuitive online platforms. The broker offers various bonuses and promotions to enhance trading opportunities for its clients. These incentives are designed to provide additional value and are subject to specific terms and conditions outlined on their promotions page. Traders can explore different types of bonuses, such as an initial deposit bonus, or other promotional offers that may be available from time to time. Each bonus typically comes with eligibility criteria and requirements that traders need to fulfill to qualify for and withdraw the bonus amount. Plus500 aims to support its traders with these bonuses while ensuring transparency and adherence to regulatory guidelines. For detailed information on current promotions and bonuses, you can visit the Plus500 promotions page directly. The broker's initial deposit bonus offers a promotional incentive for new traders upon funding their trading accounts. This bonus is subject to specific terms and conditions, which can be found on their promotions page. Traders interested in this bonus must meet eligibility requirements and adhere to the outlined criteria to qualify for and withdraw the bonus amount. Plus500 aims to provide added value to new traders through this promotional offer, while ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Plus500's affiliate program, managed through 500 affiliates, offers an opportunity for individuals to earn commissions by referring new traders to the platform. Affiliates can benefit from a competitive commission structure and various marketing tools provided by 500 affiliates to enhance their promotional efforts. The program is designed to be user-friendly, with access to real-time tracking and reporting tools to monitor performance and earnings. Plus500 and 500 affiliates emphasize transparency and support, aiming to build long-term partnerships with their affiliates. The broker offers a robust and user-friendly trading platform designed to cater to both novice and experienced traders alike. Accessible via web, desktop, and mobile applications, the platform provides seamless trading experiences across various devices. It features advanced charting tools, real-time market quotes, and a customizable interface that allows traders to monitor and analyze their positions effectively. Some of the key features of the Plus500 trading platform include a wide range of financial instruments available as contracts for difference. The platform is known for competitive spreads and efficient execution speeds, enhancing trading efficiency. Plus500 also integrates risk management tools such as stop-loss and take-profit orders to help traders manage their positions effectively. The Plus500 mobile application provides seamless access to global financial markets anytime, anywhere. Available for both iOS and Android devices, the Plus500 mobile application mirrors the functionality and features of the web-based platform, ensuring consistency and convenience across different devices. Traders using the Plus500 mobile app can trade a wide range of financial instruments. The app supports quick and secure account management, allowing users to deposit funds, execute trades, and monitor positions on the go. Some key features of the Plus500 mobile app include customizable price alerts, push notifications for market movements, and intuitive navigation for seamless trading experiences. The app's responsive design and fast execution speeds enable traders to react swiftly to market developments and capitalize on trading opportunities efficiently. Overall, the Plus500 trading platform stands out for its accessibility, functionality, and commitment to providing a secure environment for traders to engage in CFD trading across diverse markets. Plus500 offers a retail, professional, and demo account. Their retail account is designed to cater to individual traders seeking access to a diverse range of financial instruments. This account type is accessible to all users upon registration and provides comprehensive access to a variety of market instruments. The retail account is ideal for both novice traders and experienced investors looking for a user-friendly interface combined with robust trading tools. Plus500 ensures that retail account holders benefit from real-time quotes, customizable charts, and a variety of technical indicators to aid in decision-making. The platform supports trading on multiple devices, including web browsers and mobile applications, allowing users to stay connected and execute trades seamlessly. Plus500 also offers a professional trading account designed for experienced traders who meet specific eligibility criteria. This account type is tailored to cater to the needs of professional investors who seek enhanced trading conditions and access to a broader range of financial instruments. The professional account provides traders with advanced features, including competitive spreads, higher leverage options, and personalized customer support. Eligibility typically requires meeting criteria related to trading experience, portfolio size, and trading frequency. By qualifying for a professional account, traders can access a wide variety of markets through their sophisticated trading platform. Plus500 ensures that professional account holders benefit from robust security measures, real-time market updates, and a range of analytical tools to support informed decision-making. The platform is accessible via web browsers and mobile applications, offering flexibility and convenience for active traders. The broker also offers a demo account type, providing traders with a risk-free environment to practice and familiarize themselves with the platform's features and financial markets. This account type is ideal for both new traders looking to learn and experienced traders wanting to test new strategies without risking real money. The demo account comes with preloaded virtual funds, allowing users to simulate trading scenarios across a wide range of financial instruments. Traders can access real-time market data and utilize various tools such as customizable charts and technical indicators to refine their trading skills. Plus500's demo account mirrors the functionality of its live trading platform, ensuring a realistic trading experience. It is accessible via web browsers and mobile applications, offering flexibility and convenience for users to practice trading on different devices. Creating an account with Plus500 is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Start Trading Now button. The next step would be to fill out your information, such as your email address, and create a password. After your account has been submitted, you will simply be redirected to the Plus500 client portal, which includes the Plus500 proprietary trading platform. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Plus500 trading platform. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of Plus500's available market instruments directly from this panel. You can easily create new watch lists, add instruments to your favorites list, and much more. At the bottom of the dashboard, you have your chart. Plus500 also provides a variety of different chart types and indicators to help you customize your workspace according to your preferences. And in the center of the dashboard, a nice one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the Plus500 proprietary trading platform, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational material over on their educational section and in the Trader's Guide to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Plus500 offers a variety of convenient methods for depositing and withdrawing funds, catering to the diverse needs of traders. Traders can fund their accounts using major credit and debit cards, bank transfers, and popular electronic payment methods, such as PayPal and Skrill. These options provide flexibility and accessibility, allowing traders to choose the method that best suits their preferences and location. Deposits are typically processed promptly, enabling traders to start trading quickly. Plus500 prioritizes security in all of their transactions, utilizing advanced encryption technology to safeguard sensitive information. When it comes to withdrawals, Plus500 aims to ensure a streamlined process. Traders can request withdrawals through the same methods used for deposits, ensuring convenience and efficiency. Withdrawal requests are processed promptly, although processing times may vary depending on the chosen method and regulatory requirements. To support transparency and facilitate a smooth trading experience, Plus500 provides detailed information about deposits and withdrawal methods, including any associated fees or minimum deposit requirements, on their official website. Traders can access this information and manage their transactions securely through Plus500's user-friendly platform. The broker also offers a range of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to make informed trading decisions. These resources cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to advanced traders. The educational offerings include comprehensive articles, tutorials, and guides covering various aspects of trading, financial markets, and trading strategies. These materials are accessible directly through the Plus500 trading platform, providing convenient access to valuable insights and information. In addition to written content, Plus500 also provides video tutorials and webinars conducted by industry experts. These resources offer practical demonstrations and in-depth discussions on topics such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and market trends. Plus500's commitment to trader education aims to foster confidence and competence among its users, equipping them with the necessary tools to navigate the complexities of financial markets effectively. By empowering traders with educational resources, Plus500 seeks to enhance the overall trading experience and support traders in achieving their financial goals. Plus500 also provides traders with access to timely news and analysis to help them stay informed about market developments and make well-informed trading decisions. This service is available directly through their platform, offering a convenient and integrated approach to accessing essential market insights. Traders can stay updated with the latest news articles covering various financial markets. These articles offer insights into market trends, economic events, and geopolitical developments that may impact trading activities. In addition to news, Plus500 offers comprehensive market analysis conducted by experienced analysts. This analysis includes technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and market commentary, providing traders with a deeper understanding of market dynamics and potential trading opportunities. The news and analysis provided by Plus500 is designed to complement strategies and decision-making processes, enabling them to navigate volatile market conditions with confidence. By offering reliable and up-to-date information, Plus500 aims to support traders in achieving their trading goals effectively. Overall, Plus500 emerges as a prominent choice among online trading platforms. Renowned for its comprehensive suite of features and commitment to customer satisfaction, catering to both novice traders and seasoned investors, Plus500 offers access to a wide array of financial instruments. Its intuitive and versatile trading platform is accessible via web browsers and mobile devices, ensuring flexibility and convenience for traders on the go. A key highlight of Plus500 is its dedication to security and regulatory compliance, providing traders with peace of mind through robust encryption technology and adherence to stringent financial regulations. The platform's transparent fee structure and competitive spreads further enhance its appeal, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious traders. Additionally, Plus500 distinguishes itself with its retail and professional account, tailored to different trading preferences and needs. Education also plays a pivotal role at Plus500, with a wealth of educational resources including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars aimed at empowering traders with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complexities of financial markets effectively. Furthermore, traders benefit from timely news updates and comprehensive market analysis, enabling informed decision-making and strategic positioning in volatile market conditions. With a user-centric approach and a global presence, Plus500 continues to set industry standards by delivering a seamless trading experience combined with superior customer support. Whether traders are seeking to diversify their portfolios, explore new markets, or refine their trading strategies, Plus500 remains steadfast in its mission to provide a trusted and dynamic trading environment. Plus500 stands out as a reliable and comprehensive trading platform, poised to meet the evolving demands of global traders. Its blend of advanced technology, regulatory adherence, and customer-focused approach ensures that it remains a preferred choice for those looking to navigate the complexities of financial markets with confidence and ease. And that is our overview of Plus500. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.